I have officially found the best way to make UGC style videos for your print on demand or digital products using AI. And I have tried many different things before, and this is so exciting because it completely changes the game for us sellers that don't sell physical products that we have on hand. If you sell print on demand products, you're most likely working with a print on demand supplier that's shipping your products for you as they're sold, meaning that you don't actually have that product in hand to take a video of and create content for unless you order a sample. And when you're selling lots of different products, it can get expensive and time consuming to make the videos yourself. And so in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can make viral UGC videos using AI. So for today's video, we're going to be using Kittl. Now, Kittl is a design platform online that if you follow me or know my channel at all, you've probably seen me talk about them because they are my main design platform of choice for my print-on-demand products. However, as I said, now it's a game changer because within the same flow of creating my product photos, I can now make videos and even content in just a few clicks. And of course, Kittl is linked below for you. We can try out everything I'm showing you for free. And I also have a discount code for any pro plans if you choose to actually sign up for one of the paid plans, like the one that I use, so that I can get more downloads and do a lot more with the platform. So on here, I just went to the actual Kittl site here, and they have this AI video section. If you go under templates though, or the AI hub, that's where you're able to find everything for this process. And they just released a bunch of new UGC templates. So you can make UGC videos for your products. So I'm just gonna click this here. I'm just gonna search UGC and it's gonna show me all of the templates. So a lot of movement going on here, but just to show you, all these products can be used and made into videos of our product instead of the product that they're showing. So for example, if I was selling a hat, I could replace this for a hat. I could change the shirt on this girl, however I want to do it. I'm going to select this one here. It shows you a little preview of what the video will be like before we switch it out with our product. Kittl walks you through this whole process through what they call Kittl flows. So Kittl flows is essentially a way that you're going to be making a flow to start your art. So you would start out with a picture of your product and then create a video of that, and then further on to actually make the full generated scene. So what we're going to do first is create our product in scene. You'll see up here it says want to replace your product in scene. So I'm going to bring in this little crop top that I have. This picture is just a normal mock-up from Printify with a background, and then I'm just going to remove the background of the product. And then I'm going to delete that, remove this background, and then bring my product in here. Okay, now before I hit regenerate, I'm going to click on this and just read the prompt and make sure that there's nothing that I want to change. Essentially, it looks okay, but if there is something there that says like make it a t-shirt or something like that, you're going to want to delete it. And then I'm just going to hit regenerate. And this is already like built in the flow, right? We have this here, there's already an artboard on it. So it's already built in the flow. So I'm creating the mock-up for this, and then we literally just have to click one more button after we're finished with this to make the actual UGC video. Okay, cool. So it made a photo of my product, right? Just in 1 second. Now I'm gonna go over here and do the same thing for the video. I'm gonna click down here to the prompt, and here you can change out anything. So if I wanna change the way the person looks, if I wanna change the voice, if I wanna change the shot, this can all be done, or you absolutely can just leave it as it is. One thing I don't want though is the TikTok AI voiceover style. I want it to be voiced over, soft, feminine voiceover, and see how that works. I might actually take the audio out, but just so you know, you can totally change anything you want here. It works as another AI of like, you just want to change out the prompt. And then here too, if you're creating this for Instagram, if you're creating it for YouTube, you can change your ratio size. The 9:16 is perfect for short form content on Instagram, Pinterest, or TikTok, or you can change it out, you know, however you'd like. And then I'm gonna hit generate. And this does take a few minutes and it does use AI credits to do, but after it generates, we will have a video version just replaced with our product. And as you saw, I had a starting point, right? It's only been a few minutes and we already are generating a full video. Now it does take around, I think it's started with like 3 minutes, so be prepared for that, but still 3 minutes out of your time. I mean, in total, probably like 10 to 15 to really do this, but in just a few minutes, you can have a video versus having to order a sample. Taking all the clips yourself and all of that can be very time consuming. All right, so our video just finished, and I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in here and just play it for you. Okay, how cool is this? So this is automatically something that we can download, put a TikTok audio over. This could be used in an advertisement. This could be used on Pinterest. Just look how flawless this looks. And it did actually come
For the perfect fit.
with audio. Here, let me play it.
Let's style this with me. Watch this glow up.
Okay, so
Adjusting for the perfect fit.
it is AI. I honestly, full transparency, would not use that audio, but I would just download this and use it as it is and add my own music or my own voiceover. Or if I want to, anything that you want to change about this, you can just regenerate the video, can go down here, right? And just switch out anything about the prompt. So if I say, oh, change your mind, I don't want feminine voiceover style, I'll just delete that and regenerate the clip. Now I wanna show you with another type of product as well. This one here is for a mug, but you could also do it and change it out for a completely different product. So what I'm gonna do is bring in a picture of maybe a hat that I have. Let's bring in this needs a martini hat. I'm just gonna delete the current photo again, remove the background, same way we did it before, bring it in, okay. Product in scene, check our prompt, perfect, regenerate. And do the same exact thing, but it's gonna change the product completely. So even if you're not selling, sweatshirts or something that someone can do like a try on for, you can still do these videos with a product like this. This is the current video that they have now, where they're like showing the product. Okay, there's even a person in it, so we're gonna see how it does when we're completely changing the product, okay? Cool. Now I'm gonna go ahead, just check this. It seems to be okay. We're gonna generate and hope that it creates a product video as well, but with our hat instead of the mug. All right, so after 3 minutes, again, I'm going to zoom in here. We're both seeing this for the first time. Let's see how it goes. That's crazy. I mean, you have to admit, that's pretty cool. It's just so insane to me how many videos you can really make this way. I believe I have more that I made too, which I can show you, but there's so many on here. There's like the outfit switch, there's people talking about the product. All these you can completely script as well if you want the person to talk about it, unbox the product, like this one of unboxing. It's just so cool. There's so many opportunities with it as well. And I think Kittl's really changing the game by offering this to people because again, you're not starting completely from scratch. I think that that's something that, at least for me, when I started with AI, like I didn't really know where to start from. I'm like, okay, like how can I come up with this idea to execute a video? I don't know how, what prompts to use or what to say. Here's an example of one that I made with a t-shirt from like literal start to finish. And here it is. So just really cool. And then of course, everything can be changed. As I keep mentioning, you can change out the script, you can change what they say. I also made one, I think this is it, with a tote bag that came out really well.
Come with me. I just got this tote bag and I'm taking it out today. Okay, this is actually perfect. I can't wait to bring it on my trip.
And we could make another scene and just keep going and creating multiple versions of these as well, and then use them in our marketing. So I really hope you found this helpful. I think that there is a lot of value in using this. I've tried a lot of UGC different generators, and this is my favorite. The AI characters look so real. I feel like there is so much potential with this, and I can only see it getting better and better because this is a newer product. So I can't imagine where it's gonna be in a bit of time. So Kittl definitely has that down. Of course, like I said, leave any comments or questions that you have in the comment section below, and in the description you'll be able to see the link to Kittl to try this out, a discount code if you join one of their paid plans, and you can try it out for free under a free account as well, or on the Kittl account that you already have. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you're going to try this out or what your thoughts are on it, and I hope to see you in the next video.